Hi, now I am going to explain about text tables and crosstabs in Tableau. So the text tables and crosstabs are give more detailed level of data with respect to a tabular format. So the definition is text tables and crosstabs are used to organize the data in detail or in some complicated to be described to adequately in the text, allowing the reader to quickly see the results. This is my simple text table, or I can call it as a crosstab. So how I am going to create this text table? Just deleting this. So I would like to see my subcategory wise data. So I'm drawing and drop subcategory into the rows, and I am clicking in. I would like to see the sales. So I'm drag and drop sales onto the text. If you see, this is called the a tab text or crosstab. Now I could not see here my sales as a column name because I choose only one measure, but in a text table by default this is the format. So I would like to give the heading over here. So just to go to the columns in double quotes, write sales. So just enter. So now I am got column name along with the field label. So right click on here, field label, hide field labels for columns. So this is the way you can achieve text table with respect to a single column heading. Now suppose I'm going to add some more level of data. Now I got each subcategory wise sales. I'm going to add profit. So add profit to the text table, make it as by default you can change it to text. So the appearance will be like this, so that you can add again quantity. So make it as either text or this is the format which you are going to take it as. This is called the text tables. And now suppose I would like to apply colors for this text table. So for example, if I would like to apply colors on subcategory, so see how it will looks like. A drag and drop subcategory onto the color. See, if you observe each subcategory having different color with respect to the metric values, for not for the dimensions. This is the default functionality in the Tableau. This is the way you can give the colors. Suppose now we have given it as a dimension level. Suppose if what if I give the measures? So here I'm taking 3 measures. So I have to give each measure having different colors. So here in Tableau we have measure values and measure name. So I'm putting if measure values. So because I'm giving the values for the each measure. So in the measure section, go to drag and drop this measure values onto the color. So what will happen? It is taking the least level. So negative sales to the highest sales. This is the one way. Suppose if I put measure names into the color, how it will be? So drag and drop measure names onto the color. So each measure having single color. Why? Because the measure name indicates each measure. If I put a measure name onto the color, each measure having segregated to the single color. Suppose if I drag and drop measure values. So if I drag and drop measure values, what is happening? It is taking the range of data from negative to my lowest sales to my lowest profit. Here it is giving, and this is the highest sales. It is taking the range of the data. So as of now, we can keep at measure names. This is one way. This is a simple text table. Suppose if I want to create a leveled text table, what should I do? Suppose I want to see this subcategory wise, manager wise, total sales, profit and quant, how quantity they sold and what is the sales he did, what is the profit they achieved. So drag and drop my manager beside the subcategory. Now you can see each subcategory wise, manager wise, how much sales he had done. So you can arrange this what you want first. The how much quantity he sold, what is the sale value of that, how much profit he has earned. This is called the row level text table or Crosstab. Suppose I want to make it as a column level. So I want to see each year level. So drag and drop order date onto the column shelf. So quantity wise, year wise, how much sales he made, sales, profit, how he earned. So now this is my text table or Crosstab. It is giving the detailed information about each subcategory wise, manager wise, how much say quantity he sold, how much sale value he got, what is the profit he acquired with across the years. This is about text tables. Thank you guys.